What's happening, internet family? It is a beautiful, sunny, warm day today in Encinitas, and it was a very good day today for the Thornton household. For those of you who don't know, this isn't really MasterNode or crypto related, but I am in a custody battle right now, and today, basically, the judge ruled that there will be an evidentiary hearing in August. So that means that I still get a fighting chance to see my kids throughout the entire summer right now. So it's very exciting for me personally, and to all my friends and family who also watch the show. Just want to let you know, hey, it was a good news day today for the kids. So win for the kids. But anyway, on to crypto news today. Another devastating day where the entire market was in the red. Bitcoin's down a couple $100, so everything else came right down with it. A couple of things stood out actually that didn't go down all the way. One of those was basic attention token is up just a pinch, and also I think Tron was up just a hair, and Zcash was up a little bit. Zcash is an interesting one because you got to remember that there's a very, very small cap on Zcash. So there's only going to be like 1 million coins or something like that, 1.5 million. I don't know. I think less than 2 million Zcash coins. So the fact that it's so cheap still, and it's like one of the oldest, most legit cryptocurrencies there are, it's kind of interesting. Anyway, let's go ahead and get right into it. Let's go ahead and take a look at the MasterNodes today. Another 1,500 MasterNodes went online in the last 24 hours. So, you know, again, this is really good news for the whole MasterNode market. I mean, more MasterNodes are coming online all the time. It is absolutely, you know, a growth segment in the whole market, and it is very, very exciting, very, very exciting times that we're living in. If you're a fan of cryptocurrency and MasterNodes in general, even though the market's down because Bitcoin is down, right? There it is, that rascally Bitcoin dropping down to 8,300. Man, we're gonna look back at this time and say, what was anybody thinking when Bitcoin was $8,300? That is just so low compared to where it should be on the chart if you're looking at where it should be heading, etc. So I'm still big right now. I need to be small. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, fam. Why do I do that to myself? Yeah, anyway, Bitcoin's down a little bit, so the whole market's down. You can see it on CoinMarketCap. Almost everything's in the red, like I said, except for Zcash and Basic Attention Token and a couple other ones. But I mean, just the whole market's down because of Bitcoin. So, but more MasterNodes are getting installed every day. And let's take a look at the Dash Dominance right now. Dash Dominance back down. This is a very good sign for us because we want less Dash Dominance. We want some of these other MasterNodes to get their time in the sun. And right now, Dash Dominance is just hovering right around 70%. Was down in the 69s. But it looks like we're heading back to the 69s now. So that's good news. Oh, look at that. I'm moving the browser around. I got. People say, hey, you're moving around too much. You're spinning the cube too much. You're too out of control. Oh yeah? Well, I'm in the Linux master race, so there. My other friend said, hey, I like your vlog because you're crazy. I don't know how crazy I am. I'm just talking about the MasterNode market, but I guess maybe I should be even more crazy. I do have a Holst playing in the background, the planets. That's kind of crazy, I guess. Let's go ahead and take a look at the MasterNode market. Almost everything is down in the MasterNode market as well. A couple of exceptions. Omega is continuing to have some modest gains. So an Omega MasterNode is $5. Pivx is under 50K for the first time in a while. So that's good news. A Nova coin right now is a MasterNode is $400. That is so low for a Nova. I keep saying a Nova's low, buy a Nova, and then it goes lower. So I guess just don't listen to me until a few days in or something. I don't know. Shekel's down a pinch, back down to 300. Zuma is up a little bit again. Zuma's at 515 now, so it's showing steady gains this whole time. Not sure what's up with the Zuma team, but Absolute Coin, MasterNode's up to $17 for a very substantial 25% gain on Absolute Coin today. So that's a pretty good up on there. Desire's down 7%. If you're thinking about Desire, today might be a good day. Crowdcoin down 10%. There might be a buy opportunity there. Magnet is up a pinch. Now, Magnet's been going up a pinch pretty steadily, as has Pure. So, Magnet MasterNode right now, back to $711. So, that seems to be, I think that's kind of like more reasonable where where magnets should be. QBIC down just a pinch, so if you're thinking about getting to that one, might be the last jump off point where it's still cheap. Arctic still under $50. Now here is the real news today. GoByte coin is $5.82, down another 3%, putting it at under $6,000. GoByte, a MasterNode, under $6,000. That is a crazy good value. So if you were ever thinking about GoByte, man, I wish I had the money for GoByte. If I wasn't in this horrible protracted legal battle, I would definitely have a GoByte MasterNode by now. And think how much better off my kids would be. So think about the best interest of my kids and whether or not I should have a GoByte MasterNode. By the way, I don't take any kind of endorsements or advertisements or sponsorship of any kind from anybody. But if you wanted to give me a GoByte MasterNode, I would probably go ahead and give you like 10 or 15 seconds of whatever you wanted on every show every week for the next year. Seems like a reasonable deal. So go ahead and buy me that GoByte MasterNode. Let's see what else we got going on. rhY'z is down another 7%. Bitcoin Lightning having huge gains today. Look at that, 64% gain on Bitcoin Lightning. This MasterNode was $100 a couple days ago. Now it's almost $200. So what a value for the Bitcoin Lightning MasterNode right now. I don't even know much about that project, but I'm going to have to go take a look at it. Let's go look at GoByte too. Crave down just a hair, still hovering around $1,000. TerraCoin down 10%, back down to $914. So you're still way up if you bought when it was like 500 or 600, whatever it was the other day. But it's starting to retract a little bit after those big gains. Let's see what else is interesting here. Pura is down 8%. Pura MasterNode 22,000. We haven't really talked about Pura because there's no way I could even think about affording it. But let's go talk about Pura for a minute. Rapture up almost 30%. Rapture coin, whatever that is. So I don't know. If you're holding that, good for you. The MasterNode right now $107. So let's talk about Rapture. Let's go look at it. I had a couple of people that I trust their opinion tell me a lot of really good things about Saga coin. So I guess we'll go look at Saga coin since it's down 10%, meaning a MasterNode is $836 today. Social Send just still hovering right around 9 cents. A MasterNode of Social Send, $550. That is a crazy value for Social Send. Again, though, the whole market's down. It's not especially down compared to the rest of the market, so whatever. It is what it is. Sparks down 34%. Sparks has just been super volatile. I don't know. You could just maybe buy some Sparks and sell it when it goes up and then buy it again when it goes down. Anytime you see that kind of volatility, you're looking at a situation where you've got an opportunity to make money just based on buying and selling that coin daily on an exchange of some kind. Yeah, 34% down today for Sparks, putting the MasterNode back under $100. So, I could easily see like a year from now it being a situation where you're like, oh, I should have bought Sparks back when it was under $100 because now it's worth $10,000 or something. I mean, that could definitely happen with that coin. I don't know, you know what I mean? I'm a total armchair speculation there, but it's possible. Yep, I'm gonna blow my nose. Online today. Yeah, but I was outside. It was like sunny. I was sneezing and stuff. So, all right, let's take a look at some of these coins here. So, Bitcoin Lightning, 64% gain. That is out of control. 614% ROI coin, $163 for a MasterNode, and that 163 MasterNode will pay you almost $3 a day because you're getting 50 Bitcoin Lightnings a day. So, is today the day to buy? I don't know. With the 64% up today, that doesn't sound like a buy opportunity to me. However, if this is the beginning of a hockey stick for this coin to go to the moon, this might not be a bad day to buy it. I don't know. Definitely this coin is showing some signs of life, despite not really being on too many exchanges. I'd like to see it on more exchanges for me to get too excited about it. But $163, fairly low risk. And I mean, look at this chart. It's, is it going to go a whole lot lower? It doesn't look like it can. It's pretty much already at the bottom. So, I don't know. We're talking about Bitcoin Lightning. GoByte. Oh, sweet GoByte. How I wish that I could afford any part of you. It is just absolutely near the bottom that it's been in a long, long time. Looks like back here it hit 540. And today it is at, 580 today or something? Yeah, 580. So this is almost near the all-time low. GoByte is on every dang exchange. It is a very legitimate coin that's definitely been around. MasterNode, less than $6,000, and that MasterNode pays you $21 a day, and that's at this very low price. I could easily see GoByte going back up to, $20-$30 a coin or whatever. I mean, you know, it was there before, and then at that point you're looking at $100 a day or something like that, right? And you'd be looking at let's see, if it was 20 bucks a coin, $100 a day, so 700 a week, so 2,800 a month. I mean, that's enough to pay rent in an expensive area, right? You know, 2,800 a month. So this $6,000 purchase here could pay for your rent if it goes back up to where we think it might go when the market starts recovering, which I think most of us think that the market is going to start recovering. The market's definitely low right now. So, oh, go buy it. Anybody wants to send me some go buy it, I don't know. I would do something so nice for you. I would be so happy. I've always wanted go buy it, and I can't afford it. Puracoin is one that we don't really talk about too much because I don't know anybody who can afford it. It's a $22,000 masternode because you need 100,000 Pura to run a masternode. It is a very legitimate coin, again. Although why it's not on more exchanges, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it is on more exchanges. Sometimes MasterNodes online doesn't tell you all the exchanges that a coin is on. But for that 22,000, the ROI is only 2.49%. So you're only making $1.50 a day, $10 a week, $45 a month, $500 a year on a $22,000 investment. That doesn't seem like a ton of money, does it? But again, if the market recovers and it gets back up into this range over here where it's like, you know, 60 cents a coin or something, right? Then at that point, you'd be making, let's see, 6 times 60 cents is, what is it right now per coin? Right now it's 22 cents a coin, so you'd be looking at roughly 3 times this, so you'd be looking at almost $5 a day. So yeah, I don't know. Puracoin, huh? I don't know too much about Puracoin, but that ROI makes it seem like not that interesting to me. Get rid of it. Okay, Rapture Coin. Big ups today on Rapture Coin. 23% change today, so that's kind of wild. Let's take a look at it and see if we can figure out why. Not on too many exchanges. Masternode only $107. It is a fairly new coin. It's only been around for 119 days. Block time is about 2 minutes, looks like, so fairly fast. Not as fast as Social Send, though. I'm just saying, Social Send. But you make $1 a day on that $100 Masternode, and that's at current prices. If it goes up and starts, you know, when the market goes up, if it goes up too, you know, this could be a very tidy $100 investment for Rapture Coin. So I don't know, we're thinking about Saga Coin. I heard quite a few good things about Saga Coin recently from a couple different friends who know a little bit about it. It is on Cryptopia, so that's a more legitimate exchange. It does have a 200% ROI, which means the Masternode right now is $837, and that will make you about $5 a day. And that's right now with the market being super low. It is down almost 10% today too. So today would be a good buy day, I think, for Saga Coin if you were thinking about it. So if you were thinking about mid-range Masternode to get into, that's got a good, nice 200% ROI, that's not totally out of the realm of what's realistic. You know, it's been around 163 days. It's not brand new. And that will pay you $5 a day, $35 a month, a week, and $150 a month, and almost $2,000 a year on a $800 investment. That seems like a pretty good return on investment on a coin that apparently by most of the metrics I'm looking at seems pretty reasonable. And if the market does recover and the price of each coin goes back to, you know, $5 or something, which would be somewhere in the middle of that giant jump there, then you'd be making, I don't know, what's 5 times 14? Ooh, you'd be making some money then. Holy moly, you'd be making almost $100 a day on a coin that right now is only $800 from the Masternode. So this is the kind of investment opportunity that I think sounds really, really promising. Getting into something like that, you know, where putting in $800 could potentially make you $100 a day once the market recovers a little bit. So, I mean, again, the market's been a buy market this whole time. Sparks is down 34% today. Huge drop. So definitely a buy opportunity for Sparks coin today. Pretty much regardless of what else is going on. I mean, anytime you see a drop like that, it's like, hey, just buy it, because if anything, it's just going to bounce back a little bit just because of market momentum, right? Under $100 now for a Sparks Masternode with an ROI of almost 300% means you are getting 75 cents a day for that $100 Masternode. So, and again, that's at this point where, I mean, we are at the lowest that it's been. I mean, if the market recovers and this coin goes up to, you know, $3 or whatever, which is way down here still. So that's not exactly like, you know, super wishful thinking. If it makes it back to $3, you're making $21 a day on an investment that costs you less than $100 if you bought it today and the market recovers. So again, definitely, you know, that's definitely a buy opportunity in my opinion. So we're thinking about. Anyway, I don't know. We'll see. Sparks. And let's just talk about Social Send because it is one of my favorite coins and it is so cheap right now. The MasterNode's only paying 77 cents a day, but that's for a MasterNode that's $550. And this is a legit coin. I mean, look at that chart. Just the chart itself looks way more legit than most of the MasterNode coins. It has been around 180 days. So it's been around for a little while. 60-second blockchain. I mean, this is a fast, good performing chain. It's down another 5% today. The team is on fire. They're trying to get on all these different exchanges. They're trying to get listed all these different places. It is on Cryptopia, which is a legitimate exchange in my opinion. So I mean, this is just this Social Send has had buy opportunity written all over it since this whole time. I'd say getting into Social Send at any one of these points was a smart move, in my opinion. I mean, I am a fan of this coin, but it's for good reason. I mean, the community is on fire. They've got a great product. The blockchain itself works well. The wallet works really well. And you know, I just for me, I see this coin going up. I've said it on every vlog that I've posted almost in the last month, and I still feel the same way. It's just I feel like it's gonna go up. Whoa, Dash Dominance is 67.3. Is that real? I thought it was 70%. Let's go take a look at that again. Oh, because it only shows me the data from yesterday. Oh, look at... You guys, if this is real, this is the best Dash Dominance drop we've seen yet. This is huge for the MasterNode market. This is beautiful. If this is real, and we're not like getting lied to by the data somehow, that is tremendously good news. 67% Dash Dominance. That's the lowest it's been yet. That is the best possible news for MasterNodes overall, and for the whole market, in my opinion, for the future of finance. Very good news. Wow, that is great. That just happened too. If it's real, that kind of drop, sometimes I'm going to be skeptical and think maybe a computer made a mistake somewhere. Very possible, right? Social Send is also trying to get on Shardax. If you haven't voted yet on Shardax for Social Send, you just head over there, shardax.com, vote for Social Send. Oh, look at this. I haven't voted. Let me vote. And voted. 669 votes for Social Send, including my vote, which I did live on screen right now. So we'll see. We'll see. Maybe Paulus will tip me in the Discord chat. I'm going to keep it short today. It was a good day for the Thornton family today. A good day for my children. Definitely got a lot more hopes that they're going to get to spend some time with Dad and maybe hang out at the beach. I also worked on another potential partnership that may force their mother to allow them to get the visitation that the court has already ordered for me too. So just on a personal note to friends and family who watch this, it was a good day for my kids today. So very hopeful. Fingers crossed, and I'm gonna try and really prepare myself in every way possible for the court date in August. And if you guys have any advice online on how to stop a move away order in the state of California, I'd be very interested in how to do that, because I have so many business connects and friends and family, and all of their family lives. I mean, a lot of their family lives here in Southern California. So moving them away to Hawaii would not be in the best interest of the children, I believe. So if you guys have any information on how to help my kids out of that situation, I'd be very interested in hearing it. That's it for today. I'm going to try and keep it short. As usual, fam, keep on noding.